Now, something you got to remember about diffused aeration systems is moisture has a tendency to collect from condensation inside the hoses of a diffused aeration system. Daniel Weaver, best way to keep open water for my ducks, aerate. If you'll aerate with a bottom diffused aeration system, then you can keep a hole in the ice. I would do it fairly shallow in water like less than 5 feet deep, which that's about the shallowest you should use a diffused aeration system in. Now, something you got to remember about diffused aeration systems is moisture has a tendency to collect from condensation inside the hoses of a diffused aeration system. And it can get cold enough that condensation inside the hoses can freeze and block the hose. So you kind of got to be patient about that. Pond Boss Magazine. Now this is what fuels the economy, so I can do stuff like this. $35 a year. Cheaper than a Friday night date, and it lasts a year. Adios for now.
Hey, Mr. Pond Boss, tell me what to do to make all my Lunker Lake dreams come true.